Do you want to get paid to do multiple tasks without leaving the comfort of your own home? By simply clicking on buttons online, you can obtain instant money and you can do it repeatedly in a day. Just think about it. All you need to have is a tablet, mobile phone, laptop, or computer. You just need any of those. You don't need to have the skills and knowledge to earn money online, since what I'm about to share with you is totally free. And it's available all over the world. So whether you're in Asia or America, this is accessible for you. But before we start, welcome to Finance Girl, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Now before I proceed, I want you to pay attention to everything that I will actually say, because I will be revealing 2 tips that could help you in generating money online. Without further ado, the website that I'll be sharing with you today is called Pidera.com. Before diving deep into what this website is all about, you really need to keep on watching for you to know about important tips for you to be able to instantly cash out and earn more and more money. Now what you'll need to do is head over to Pidera.com. This website will pay you money by doing surveys. Yes, as simple as doing surveys. All you need to do is invest a little amount of time, and the time spent here will be converted to cash. How crazy is that? Here at Pidera.com, you will not experience any hassle since the payout is secured and fast. You will be able to receive instant payment no matter where you are. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. What I like most is that this is very accessible and the minimum payout is only $5. So once you reach this amount, you can just cash it out whenever you want to. This site also offers infinite jobs that you can do each day. Also, take note that there is no limit on how much money you want to generate in a day. I will share with you later a trick that you can use and apply for you to be able to make money repeatedly. As I've said earlier, there are various and limitless things that you can do to earn here in Pidera. You can also sign up for different tasks. It could be taking surveys, uploading videos, or referring a friend. You can actually do a lot of things here, given that this is only a single website. Right now, this website has over thousands and millions of people all over the world that is just on it. You might be included in the millions of people if you just keep on watching. If you check on the proof and reviews section of this website, you will see a guy named Hesho from Egypt that says he has been paid $21. There's also a review here from Alpian of Indonesia saying that he's been paid $33. And if you keep on reading for proofs and reviews, they are all grateful for this site and even convince others that this is really legit and you can earn from here. Again, as stated, this website is available for people all over the world with hundreds and thousands of payment proofs, which only means that you can really generate money from Pidera. Now what you will do is to sign up for a free account. All you need to do now is click on this blue button located on top that says Create an Account, and you will be directed to this page. All you need to do is fill in the information needed, such as your name, username, email address, and desired password. After that, you need to click on Sign Up and create your account. It's actually quite easy and hassle-free. When you're done signing up, you can now do surveys, invite your friends, download apps, and many, many more. Now I will continue by teaching you how you can make money out of it. Once you're logged into your account already, you can actually do surveys like this one, and you will automatically earn up to 50 cents. Remember, you can do this without limits. You can always refresh the website for new survey updates each day. If you think about it, 50 cents is not that much, which is why I need you to pay attention to what I will say for you to earn even more money. What you will do now is click on Text Surveys. Just click on this green button, and then you will go over to this page, and you will see here that you can earn 50 cents by taking surveys and by simply clicking on buttons. But I'll tell you a secret, you're not really obliged to answer or take these surveys. All you need to do is simply click on this blue button, start the survey, and it will now load on this website. Once it's done loading, they will then ask you basic and simple questions like your gender. And the thing is, your answer doesn't matter at all. What we'll do next is to go down and click on the blue button right here that is lurking at the bottom of this website. Now click on the right button, and then what's going to happen is the website will load again. You don't even have to answer anything at this point. You just need to scroll down to the bottom part of the website and just click on continue. It's really as simple as that. Now, do you want to know why I love this website? Every single button that you click is equivalent to 50 cents. Now, if you answer 2 or more, you will then be able to get $1 or 2. You can do this for as many times as you want to, since it is unlimited. So I will just repeat the same exact thing that I did, and for every click that I just made, it is going to credit me 50 cents instantly. Just imagine how much I would earn if I kept doing it multiple times a day. Just keep on doing the same thing without answering the survey, and by doing that, you also keep on generating money instantly. There is more to it. Once you're done with the very first 10 surveys, you will then be able to unlock different surveys wherein you can earn double and special bonuses. So let's say you have unlocked surveys. Instead of just earning 50 cents, you will now earn $1 for each survey. And you can always double or triple that by doing the same process that we just talked about earlier. If you want to know why they pay you money by just pressing the continue button, it's simply because of ads. So it's a win-win thing. If you get to click on the paid ads, they will also benefit from it. So if you think this is a scam, well, think again. One way to do this easily is to ignore these ads, and you can do it by going down to the very bottom of the website and clicking on the continue button and making money repeatedly. Again, this website is open for everybody since Pidera has no country restriction. You can work wherever you want and as much as you want. It's very hassle-free. You ain't got no boss, no time frame, and no stress. You're free to do everything while earning. So what are you waiting for? And that's it. This has been Finance Girl. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.